full length series. So today we'll be talking about receiver functions. So receiver functions, so if you have worked with Rust-lang, you might know that receiver functions are exactly those functions which we define in IMPL keyword in Rust. They are kind of like extension functions in Dart or in Kotlin or in Swift. So here I have defined a struct, then I have defined another struct which takes space as an input. Then if you check, I am before calling the function name vacate space, I am calling the struct name which is taken as a pointer. So instead of taking pointer, this parking lot pointer as an input, I can put it ahead of the function name, which means that it is a receiver function. So and then I'm doing some kind of implementation details in the function. So once the object is created inside the main function, I can directly call the method using it as kind of like a property for that struct object. Otherwise you would have to pass it as an input. So this looks much cleaner than passing it as an input. Next is the iota. So iota is assigns a value from 0 to constants, from 0 to constants. Okay, so I will show you an example. So here you can see that I have defined a constant. Okay, I have defined a constant, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and for add I have made it equal to iota. So add will be equal to 0, subtract will be 1, multiply 2, divide would be 3. These values are automatically incremented. You can also make add equal to iota, subtract equal to iota, multiply equal to iota, and divide equal to iota. It would be the same thing, like add would be 0, subtract equal to 1, multiply 2, divide 3. Suppose you want to start the value from 0, then you can do something like iota plus 3, then it would start the value from 3 and the next values are again automatically incremented. Next concept which I learned was about variadics. So it is kind of similar to varargs in Java, which is variable argument. Variadic is denoted by 3 dots, which means the input can take n number of values. So here in the function I have takes an input called nums, which is an int data type, but it is a variadic kind of value, so it can take n number of int values. Then I am doing some kind of a calculation, and if you check later, what I have done is that I have taken 2 slices, I have append those slices. Here one thing I want you guys to notice is that while appending 2 slices, I have added b or 3 dots after b, which even I wasn't aware of. So if you already have a slice defined, I think you have to add 3 dots after the second slice is added to the append. And later on I can call the sum method, and it so currently all is in slice data type, but we want it in int variadics. So like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So to convert that you have to use 3 dots. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.